the 7th ŠKODA Student Concept Car, designed by 31 trainees from the ŠKODA Vocational School, links the past with the present. And it also pays homage to this year's ŠKODA Auto anniversary by commemorating the name of the first bicycles produced by Václav Laurin and Václav Klement after they founded the company in 1895. Now this name will grace a spider variant of the ŠKODA SCALA. Let's welcome the new concept car, the ŠKODA SLAVIA.
I saw it and I think it's a dream in white, powerful and very elegant.
What does the Azubi car project mean to you?
I have to say this is an impressive project. I have been director of the ŠKODA Academy since February, and it's really interesting to see the students looking over the shoulders of professionals from different areas of the company and working alongside them. I'm very proud to be a part of this venture. The Student's Car is a unique car production project in the Czech Republic. Every year it is great testament to the high standard of our training, and it's an integral part of our training program. Our apprentices are working with professionals from various departments, designing and building a car concept vehicle based on a Skoda production model, and have done so since 2013.
Mr. Slabihodek, as the head of ŠKODA Vocational School, what do you think this project represents?
I think that it gives the students a unique opportunity to plan and design a spectacular concept car and build it themselves. Each of the concept vehicles demonstrate the creativity and commitment of ŠKODA's young talent.
And how does this project affect the students' future?
After successfully graduating, students from the ŠKODA Vocational School are offered the opportunity to work for the Czech car manufacturer.
And now I would like to welcome Ivo Wollmann, the teacher who has guided our students to this very point right from the outset. Mr. Wollmann, what is the overall aim of this project?
Well, the apprentices work on the project for one academic year. Most of them are in their third year of training. During the development of the apprentices car, they consolidate and hone the skills they already have. At the same time, they have to work in a team with their classmates in order to achieve the best possible result in the allotted time. The young people are highly motivated and very creative. Their ideas and feedback are invaluable to ŠKODA. In addition, the project improves the apprentices' practical skills and promotes teamwork. In this way, ŠKODA gains excellently trained specialists at the end of the course.
I have to say it's fabulous. It's really great and a lot of fun to drive that car. It's perfectly made. The chassis, of course, is true SCALA, which is a good prerequisite for a roadster like this. And I have to say the apprentices did a wonderful job.
For me, being part of a team creating our dream car was a great experience. It was also fun to collaborate with professionals from different areas at Skoda Auto. I have learned a lot from them. We wanted to emphasize the Slavia's overall dynamics. To do this, we had to make the clear-cut lines and emotive shapes even more prominent than they are on the SCALA, and that was not easy.